Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to export the Unreal Engine assets and import into iClone 7 3D animation software. You can see now this is the Unreal Engine, and now you can find out some of the assets. As demo, I will just go to the content, go to the geometry folder, meshes, and now I can see some of the assets in Unreal Engines. Of course, I can just get from here as well. For example, the geometry, the curved stairs, so on and so on. Alright, now let's say the message here, this is the static mesh, and I'm going to export it as FBX file. I just need to right click, then asset actions, export it on my desktop, export it as FBX file, click save. And then here you can just click export. Next, go back to the desktop. Right, now this is my desktop. The FBX file is here that I already exported out. What you need to do is just direct drag into iClone 7. Drag in. Do you like to break the meshes into subprop? I will select no. And now you can see this cube already at here. Of course, you can do some adjustments. Now it is black color, you can change to any color as well if you want. It is really easy. Right now, this is how are we going to export any of the Unreal Engine's assets into iClone 7. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy happy animation and game developing. See you.